Look around you. The world of packaging impacts everything you see. From the industrial age to present day, packaging has impacted the food we eat, the medication we take, and even the video games you play. Everything is packaged. Walk through the grocery store and you will notice that everything you pass is in some type of packaging. Automated machines make that possible. Each product must be filled, labeled, and placed in the appropriate package in order to make it to store shelves for you to purchase. Packaging is so much more than the bottle, box, or bag a product comes in. Packaging is also about the different types of machines needed to help a product make it into its container. As the world has evolved, machinery has evolved to include more automation to solve complex packaging challenges. Innovators are needed to make this possible. That's where Pack Challenge comes in. The 23-24 competition season looks at the packaging process involved in getting a product to market. While it seems like a simple task, there are a multitude of ways to go about this process. This competition seeks to engage students in a new way by providing them the fundamentals and mentorship to build a packaging machine. We encourage students to be creative and push their boundaries. We invite your students to have fun while developing their science, technology, engineering, art, and math skills while designing their own machine. Let's start creating and designing.